Hey everyone, welcome to Puppy Paws Storytime. I got Presley here. She's a little sleepy. But today's story is Splat the Cat, and you are going to love it so much because it has sound effects. You get to hear Splat talk, his mom talk, and it's so cute because it's his first day of cat school. Watch it all the way to the end because guess what? There's a special surprise. A video clip of Presley in there playing with her neighborhood cat friend. Enjoy!
Splat the Cat by Rob Scotton. It was early in the morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was his first day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly with worry.
Oh no, today's the day.
If I hide from the day, maybe it will go away, he thought. It didn't go away. Time to get up, said his mom.
Come on, my little kitty.
Time to get dressed, said his mom. I don't have any clean socks, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, Splat said. You don't wear socks, said his mom.
You're a cat, Splat. You don't need socks.
I'm having a bad hair day, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, said Splat.
S'il vous plaît, maman.
His mom combed his hair. Perfect, she said.
Splat, your hair looks amazing with fur glue. But Mom, now you are ready for school.
Don't forget your lunchbox, said his mom. I'll need a friend today,
Come on, chérie.
thought Splat. And he dropped his pet mouse Seymour into his lunchbox.
Don't eat my lunch while you're in there, Seymour.
Time to go, said his mom. The front door won't let me out, Mom. The gate won't let go of my fingers, Mom. The lamppost won't get out of my way, Mom. Mom!
Mom.
You can ride your bike if you like, Splat, said his mom. So he did, but he didn't say a single word. Welcome to cat school, said a big round cat. I'm Mrs. Wimpledimple, your teacher.
Meow.
Splat's mom gave him a hug. I'll be back soon, she said. You'll be fine.
Behave now, okay? Au revoir.
Everyone, this is Splat. Let's welcome him into our class, said Mrs. Wimpledimple. Hi, Splat.
Hi, everyone.
Mrs. Wimpy Dimple began. Cats are amazing, she said. We're clever, cunning, and quick. Am I amazing too? Asked Splat. Yes, you too, said Mrs. Wimpy Dimple.
Wow, I never knew.
Cats climb trees, drink milk, and chase mice, she continued. Why do we chase mice? Asked Splat. It's what we do, replied Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Why? Asked Splat. Because. Mrs. Wimpy Dimple sighed. Lunchtime, she announced. Splat opened his lunchbox. Mouse! The cats did what cats do. Seymour hid behind a glass bottle. And when the cat saw his face through the glass, they screamed and ran away. Seymour did what all mice want to do. Stop! Cried Splat. Splat! They didn't stop.
That's gonna bruise.
Enough, Mrs. Wimpy Dimple said, and it ended.
Meow, meow.
It's milk time! Hooray! But the door to the milk cupboard was stuck. No milk today, announced Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Splat whispered into Seymour's
Think
ear.
you can use your tiny paws to help us out, buddy?
Seymour nodded, and then a moment later, the door swung open. Yum. Mrs. Wimpy Dimple wrote again on the chalkboard. Cats don't chase mice. Hooray! Cheered the class. Soon it was home time. Splat's mom returned and gave him a hug.
I missed you, Splat. Did you have a good day?
I learned so much about myself, and I always land on my feet too.
I've got lots of friends. Cats don't chase mice. I'm amazing. It was early the next morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was his second day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly with excitement.
Oh boy, I can't wait.
The end. What are you doing? You can't eat cat food. You're not a cat. Say hi to your friend Kitty Cat.